What if you get home and your microwave, it's not working, looks like, but there is always a secret. But I tell you to do first, and then we check the reason why. So first of all, go into your garage, and by code, you need to have a microwave breaker. So even if it was on, just turn it off or play the test and leave it there for a couple of minutes, 3 minutes, because you reset all the capacitors inside the electronic of the microwave, and then put it on again. Okay? Then remember that you put stuff here, on the top of the microwave where the cable goes in the plug. You always have a lot of stuff, and people always move this around. Your wife, your kids, everybody. So make sure, touching the ground, that this one is pushed inside all the way.